We are here at Innovative Automation in Barrie, Ontario, Canada. We're a custom machine builder of custom automation solutions for automotive industry, white goods, consumer goods, life sciences, and pharma. And we also have a couple divisions selling internationally. That includes our RoboTape product and RoboClip. Some manufacturers around the globe are trying to automate because they need to deal with labor shortage challenges, which are being experienced everywhere. They need to reduce costs and they need to increase throughput and quality, which is being demanded by the market.
This is RoboClip. This is our newest product from Innovative Automation. It puts clips onto automotive parts. IFM solutions are used everywhere on this machine that has a cylinder. So we have cylinder switches for our rotary, anything that opens and closes for our anti-jam technology, and then any of the inline feeder systems that have cylinders also use IFM. We use them everywhere. We made them our standard because they're just great products.
The machine behind me is RoboTape. It is used to automatically apply adhesive backs, foams, tapes, and joining tapes. The big advancements here are that it is mounted on a 6-axis robot and can get into tight corners and difficult situations. The other advancement is the bulk spool, which allows for longer run time, up to more than a shift. In this machine, there are 2 laser distance sensors, one which is used in the bulk spool, which is to measure how much is left on that bulk spool. There's another one in the accumulator, which measures how much is left there. We also use 2, one on the inside and one on the outside of the panel, a temperature and humidity sensors to track all the conditions that we were able to operate in. We've chosen IFM here because we at Innovative stock IFM. They have a huge variety of sensors to choose from, and we've always had great service from their technical sales as well as their sales department in coming to solutions for our customers.
IFM's slogan, "Close to You," is very fitting for our industry. It's a very fast-paced moving industry. We're building custom machines that often will have surprises that creep up during the development phase, and so often we will require quick responses from our suppliers, and IFM always steps up